Hello aspirants, it has been our constant endeavor to provide you the quality guidance at affordable prices. I am proudly announcing that Shubhra Ranjan IAS is introducing other popular optionals with the teachers who don't need any introduction. We are going to start the sociology batch on 1st of August with Upendra Gaur sir, who is known for his teaching, for his quality notes and the experience. We are also introducing Anthropology with Thiru Murugan sir and Kavita ma'am, Geography with Nikhil sir, and it will be our constant effort that you get the similar level of guidance, notes, teaching and other support which you expect in the political science. All the faculties are accomplished in their fields. In order to understand their pedagogy, you can visit our website, you can watch the demo lectures. I hope you will be benefited by this initiative of Shubhra Ranjan IAS, expanding your choices. We are soon going to organize the workshop of these optionals. For details, you can visit shubhraranjan.com. Thank you.